Welcome to Miss English!
Hello everyone and welcome back to Miss English. I am Janet Diam and today we are going to have a very interesting and natural discussion where we improve our English by talking about real-life topics in a relaxed podcast style.
Thank you, Janet Diam. I am Armagan Khan, and I am really excited for today's episode. But before we begin, I would like to ask you what exactly we are planning to discuss today so our listeners can follow us clearly.
That is a very good question, Armagan Khan, because today we decided that instead of choosing a random topic, we will first think together and select the best one for our listeners.
In that case, my first suggestion would be that we talk about favorite foods in restaurants because food is something everyone loves and enjoys discussing in daily life conversations.
That is definitely an interesting idea, Armagan Khan, but I feel we have already discussed food in one of our previous episodes, so maybe we should try something different and more educational today.
You are absolutely right, Janet. So my second suggestion would be that we talk about travel destinations and dream countries, because that topic also helps improve descriptive vocabulary.
Travel is always exciting to talk about, Armagan, but I think today we should choose something that connects with everyone equally, whether they travel or not.
In that case, Janet Diam, what do you think about discussing weather? Because every person experiences weather daily and it affects mood, lifestyle, and even productivity.
I think that is the perfect topic, Armagan Khan, because weather is something we all feel every day, and describing weather in English helps us speak confidently in very common conversations.
Then it is decided, Janet. Today we are discussing different types of weather, which weather we personally like, which one children usually enjoy the most, and why certain seasons are considered more beautiful than others.
So let us begin with summer, because summer is usually the most intense season in many countries, and it is known for being sunny, bright, and sometimes extremely hot.
Summer days are longer and filled with strong sunlight. And although the sunshine can feel energetic and cheerful, excessive heat can make people tired, sweaty, and uncomfortable if they stay outside for too long.
That is very true. And in many places, summer temperatures rise so high that people prefer staying indoors with fans or air conditioning to protect themselves from heat exhaustion and dehydration.
However, despite the extreme heat, many children love summer because it brings school vacations, outdoor games in the evening, family trips, and a sense of freedom from academic pressure.
Yes, children often connect summer with fun and excitement rather than heat, and they enjoy seasonal fruits like mangoes and watermelons, which are refreshing and sweet during hot weather.
Now, if we compare summer with winter, winter feels completely different because it is cold, sometimes foggy, and often peaceful with shorter days and longer nights.
Winter can feel calm and cozy, especially when people wear warm clothes, drink hot beverages like tea or coffee, and spend time indoors with family members.
Although winter is beautiful in many ways, extremely cold temperatures can create challenges for people who do not have proper heating systems or warm clothing.
That shows how every season has both beauty and difficulty, because what feels comfortable to one person may feel uncomfortable to another, depending on their environment and lifestyle.
When we talk about beauty in weather, many people say that spring is the most beautiful season because flowers bloom, trees turn green, and the temperature becomes moderate and pleasant.
Spring represents balance because it is neither too hot like summer nor too cold like winter, and that moderate climate makes people feel active, fresh, and positive.
Rainy weather also creates a special atmosphere because the sound of rain can feel relaxing and peaceful, while dark clouds and cool winds change the entire mood of the environment.
Rain can make the weather cooler after intense summer heat, but heavy rainfall can also cause traffic problems and inconvenience, which again shows the dual nature of every season.
If we ask most children which weather they like the most, many of them would probably choose either summer for vacations or winter for enjoying cold mornings and playful activities.
Adults, however, often prefer moderate weather because extreme heat or extreme cold can affect work performance, energy levels, and daily responsibilities.
Weather also affects emotions because bright, sunny days can make people feel motivated and energetic, while cloudy days can sometimes create a calm or reflective mood.
That is why learning to describe weather in English using words like sunny, cloudy, humid, windy, freezing, mild, and stormy is very useful in daily conversations.
When someone asks about the weather, you can confidently respond by saying that it is extremely hot and humid today, or that it feels pleasantly cool with a gentle breeze in the evening.
Before we close today's podcast, I would like to ask you one final question, Armagan Khan. Which season would you choose if you had to live in it forever?
If I had to choose only one season, Janet, I would select mild winter because it feels peaceful, productive, and comfortable without extreme cold.
And if I had to choose, I would select spring because it feels hopeful, colorful, and full of new beginnings that bring positive energy.
Dear listeners, today we discussed weather in detail, compared different seasons, and learned how to describe them clearly in English.
If you've enjoyed this educational and engaging podcast, please like, share, comment your favorite season, and subscribe to Miss English to continue improving your English confidently.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Miss English.